Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you why video is not playing in Udemy, how to resolve. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the issue that you are having, first what you can do is simply head over to your app store, then on the search bar simply type in Udemy and then simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back, then tap on your settings icon. Then once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general, and once you're inside your general, tap on iPhone storage. Then once you're inside your iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find the Udemy app and then simply tap on it. And once you tap on it, you'll be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once the process is complete, all you gotta do is go back and then try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.